Did you know that Jupiter acts as a cosmic shield for Earth? Yes, you heard that right. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, plays a critical role in keeping our planet safe from potential cosmic catastrophes. How does it do that? It's all about gravity. Jupiter's enormous mass creates a gravitational force that is strong enough to alter the trajectories of nearby celestial objects. When asteroids or comets venture too close to Jupiter, its gravity acts like a giant cosmic slingshot, flinging these space rocks away from Earth or pulling them into its own orbit, away from our planet. But it's not just about gravity. Jupiter's size and gaseous composition also serve as a shield for Earth. Many smaller space rocks burn up in its thick atmosphere before they can reach our planet, acting as a sort of protective barrier. Additionally, Jupiter's presence in our solar system plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. Its gravitational influence helps to prevent large bodies in the asteroid belt from coalescing into a single planet, which could potentially pose a greater threat to Earth due to increased asteroid activity. Moreover, Jupiter's gravitational field can also perturb the orbits of long-period comets, which originate from the Oort cloud, a spherical shell of icy bodies located far beyond the orbit of Pluto. By altering the trajectories of these comets, Jupiter can either redirect them away from the inner solar system or capture them into shorter, less hazardous orbits. Some scientists propose that Jupiter's migration during the early formation of the solar system played a crucial role in shaping the arrangement of planets and their orbits. This migration, known as the Grand Tack, may have swept up or scattered many potential impactors, thereby influencing the distribution of objects that could threaten Earth. In 1994, the world witnessed a spectacular event when comet Shoemaker Levy 9 collided with Jupiter. This collision highlighted Jupiter's ability to attract and intercept potentially hazardous objects before they reach Earth. Jupiter's stable orbit and gravitational influence have remained relatively constant over billions of years, providing Earth with a consistent shield against cosmic threats. This gravitational force essentially acts as a protective barrier, pulling these celestial objects off their collision course with Earth and sending them off into different trajectories. Ever heard of the Jupiter-Sun gravitational well? It's a fascinating phenomenon. Now let's dive into the concept and explore how it safeguards our planet. Imagine two celestial bodies, Jupiter and the Sun, each with their own gravitational pull. The Sun, being the most massive object in our solar system, has the strongest gravitational pull. Jupiter, on the other hand, is the heaviest planet, exerting its own significant gravitational force. The combined gravity of these two bodies forms what we call a gravitational well. In essence, this well acts like a cosmic trapper. When asteroids, comets, or other celestial bodies venture too close, they're pulled into this gravitational well. Jupiter's immense gravity can alter their trajectories, either slingshotting them away from Earth or pulling them into Jupiter's own orbit. It's a bit like a giant cosmic game of billiards, with Jupiter and the Sun as the players and asteroids as the balls. But it's not just about diverting potential threats. Jupiter's gravitational well also plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter. This belt is home to millions of asteroids. Jupiter's gravity helps to prevent these asteroids from coalescing into a single planet, which could potentially pose a greater threat to Earth due to increased asteroid activity. Beyond the asteroid belt, Jupiter's gravity can also influence the orbits of long-period comets, which originate from the far-off Oort cloud. By altering the trajectories of these icy bodies, Jupiter can either redirect them away from the inner solar system or capture them into shorter, less hazardous orbits. So, while it may seem like Jupiter is just another planet in our solar system, it's actually a vital part of our planetary defense system. It's like a cosmic goalkeeper, deflecting and redirecting potential threats away from Earth. So Jupiter's gravitational well plays a significant role in protecting our planet from celestial threats. And that's just one of the many ways Jupiter, our cosmic guardian, keeps us safe. Jupiter's moons are not just beautiful, they're also helpful bodyguards to Earth. Now let's talk about these celestial bodyguards. Jupiter has 4 large moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each one of these moons has a significant role to play in the grand scheme of our solar system. These moons, also known as the Galilean moons, named after their discoverer Galileo Galilei, are some of the largest objects in our solar system outside the Sun and the 7 planets. They are so large, in fact, that their gravitational pull helps to maintain the stability of Jupiter's rings. These rings, unlike the iconic ones of Saturn, are thin and dusty, and without the shepherd moons, debris could accumulate and potentially pose a threat. But the role of these moons extends beyond just maintaining the rings of Jupiter. They also influence the paths of passing asteroids or comets. When these celestial bodies come too close to Jupiter, the combined gravitational forces of the planet and its moons can alter their trajectories. This gravitational redirection can send these potentially dangerous objects off on a different course, reducing the likelihood of them ever crossing paths with Earth. Now, imagine an asteroid hurtling through space. As it gets close to Jupiter, it starts to feel the gravitational pull of the planet and its large moons. This force can be enough to change the asteroid's course, either slingshotting it away from Earth or pulling it into Jupiter's orbit. Either way, Earth is safe from a potentially catastrophic impact. These moons, in a way, serve as our cosmic bodyguards. They are constantly on the lookout, using their gravitational might to protect us from the threats that space can hurl our way. They work in harmony with Jupiter, creating a gravitational team that keeps our planet safe. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the silent protectors that watch over us from millions of miles away. These moons, in their own way, contribute to keeping Earth safe. Jupiter's size and composition are another line of defense for Earth. There's a lot more to this gas giant than meets the eye. Beyond its colossal size and captivating beauty, Jupiter plays a significant role as Earth's guardian in our cosmic neighborhood. To comprehend this, let's delve into the nature of Jupiter. It's the largest planet in our solar system, more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. Its massive size means it has an incredibly strong gravitational pull, which influences everything in its vicinity, even objects at great distances. But it's not just the size that matters. Jupiter's gaseous composition also plays a critical role. Unlike rocky planets like Earth, Jupiter is predominantly made up of hydrogen and helium, similar to the Sun. This thick, gaseous atmosphere is the first line of defense against incoming space debris. Imagine a small space rock, an asteroid, or a comet hurtling through space towards Earth. Now, if this object happens to pass near Jupiter, things get interesting. The immense gravitational pull of Jupiter alters the object's trajectory, pulling it towards itself. As the object enters Jupiter's atmosphere, the thick cloud layers and high pressure cause it to burn up before it can do any damage. Think of it as a cosmic incinerator, destroying potential threats before they get a chance to reach our planet. But what about larger objects that Jupiter's atmosphere can't incinerate? Well, Jupiter's strong gravity comes to the rescue again. It can sling these larger objects off into different trajectories away from Earth or capture them in its own orbit. In both cases, Earth is spared a potential catastrophic impact. The protective role of Jupiter is not just theoretical. We have witnessed it in action. Remember the spectacular event in 1994 when Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 was pulled into Jupiter and disintegrated? That could have been Earth, but thanks to Jupiter it wasn't. With Jupiter acting as a protective barrier, Earth is safer from potential space threats. Jupiter's role as Earth's cosmic shield is a testament to the intricate and dynamic nature of our solar system. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember to appreciate this giant guardian watching over us. There's more to Jupiter's protective role than meets the eye. Let's delve into some more intriguing aspects of Jupiter's role in shielding Earth. Firstly, let's consider the Grand Tack hypothesis. Some scientists suggest that Jupiter's migration during the early formation of the solar system played a key role in shaping the arrangement of planets and their orbits. This migration, known as the Grand Tack, may have swept up or scattered many potential impactors. It's like Jupiter was a cosmic broom tidying up the solar system and influencing the distribution of objects that could pose a threat to Earth. Then there's the event of Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 in 1994. This was a heart-stopping moment for astronomers worldwide as they witnessed a spectacular event, a comet colliding with Jupiter. This collision highlighted Jupiter's ability to attract and intercept potentially hazardous objects before they reach Earth. Not only did it confirm Jupiter's role as a protective shield, but it also gave us valuable insights into the dynamics of such collisions and the behavior of Jupiter's atmosphere. Lastly, there's the long-term stability of Jupiter's orbit. Jupiter's stable orbit and gravitational influence have remained relatively constant for billions of years. This consistency provides Earth with a reliable shield against cosmic threats. This long-term stability is crucial for maintaining the habitability of our planet and reducing the risk of catastrophic impacts over geological timescales. By studying Jupiter and its interactions with asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies, scientists gain valuable insights into planetary defense strategies and the dynamics of our solar system. So Jupiter's role as a cosmic vacuum cleaner and gravitational shield significantly reduces the frequency of potentially catastrophic impacts on Earth. It's a fascinating planet with an equally fascinating role in our cosmic neighborhood.